What did he say?
He said you're very handsome.
I think you're pretty handsome too. Guess it runs in the family. Because she's beautiful.
How did you meet our sweet Alexa?
Should I tell him the truth?
No.
I'm gonna tell him. So we're at the club, right?
Stop.
What? You said to be honest. And then I saw her from a distance, so I started dancing towards her.
Please
She
don't.
was backing it up, and next thing you know, we're bumping and... I can sing too. Sa ilam limpang puntilam.
Paborito ko dati yung kantang yan eh.
We were listening to it on the way here.
Did you eat?
Oh, no thank you. I don't eat meat. I'm vegan.
Bigan pala to eh.
Vegan.
Eh kaya pala hindi tumatangkad eh. Kulang sa sustansya.
He likes me too.
Andres! Banatan mo to!